Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. I know tomorrow we will have the examination, that is the NEET MDS 2024, and just before that today we have a last day of the revision, or we can say the one day before the examination. What are the precautions, the last moment tips, tricks required for you, or you can say the hack to crack the NEET MDS 2024 examination? This video is all about that, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Now back to the topic. The first thing which is mandatory in the examination is the positive mind. Yes, the positivity in your mind is very important. The positive attitude towards the examination is very important. And if you are feeling less confident, anxious, bit nervous or confused, at least you can continuously repeat certain positive affirmations like I'll do the best, I'll perform the best, my exam will be the best, I will perform it very good in that, I will give my best in the exam. A lot of such positive affirmations plays a very important role. Second, don't stress too much. Third thing is, don't study too much till the last end day or end hour of the day. That means late night study, avoid that. Your mind get exhausted and at the time of examination you are unable to even focus on the questions. So it's better you will sleep at least by 10 p.m. just one day before. That means today at night you all have to sleep at 10 p.m. that is for sure. With the positive affirmations that everything gonna be alright. Just like all is well thing. Now, after that, the another most important hack is there is one option available in the NEET MDS 2024 examination, that is the mark for review, right? You can use that mark for review hack very judicially, or at least you can use that option only for the questions which are less than 40 in number. Yes, less than 40 questions you can use this option as marked for review, and later on you can see it, that question, submit your answer and save. Don't forget to do that. This is very important. Followed by, better to leave the unanswered question rather than attempting a wrong answer, because there is a negative marking, right? So that is very important. Followed by, last day is there, so you just need to revise a little of everything, right? I know there are lots of stress, like you are not prepared or something like that, but let me tell you something. Whole year is also important, but a one single day of preparation is also very important. Don't forget this line, think logically and score magically, right? That means you need to focus and give your 100% in just 3 hours of the examination. Moreover, in the examination, your speed should be in such a manner that you will complete 80 questions in 1 hour. So keep this thing in your mind that the speed should be in such manner. Followed by, try to attempt the questions which are familiar or which you are totally confident that you know the answer. Try to attempt those questions first, followed by others, right? Time is very important. Regarding the admit card queries and the dress code, someone is asking me, ma'am, shirt pehne ki t-shirt pehne, shoes pehne ki sleeper pehne. Please guys, already one detailed explained video is out on my channel just before this video. It is already out yesterday morning, so at least go through that video. I have told everything, every single point in that video is explained in a full explanation, full manner. So go and check out that. Don't make any blunder or anything else. All the very best for the NEET MDS 2024 examination, and after the examination get over, do comment down what are the questions which are available in the examination, so we can get the analysis as early as possible. And those who are connected with me on my WhatsApp or on the Instagram, guys, please DM the questions after the examination so that we can make an analysis very well on the basis of your recall questions. And don't forget that you are the best, you will do your best, and your exam will be the best exam. So all the very best. Thank you for watching.